everybody, my name is Ilse coming at you from hobbykr.com with another video. Today I have something short and sweet for you. I just wanted to share with you my new Shirokane Rinko figure from Bang Dream. As I've mentioned recently on this channel, I started playing Bang Dream around 2 months ago and I am completely obsessed. I love the game, I love the music, I love the girls, and I feel like I've changed who my favorite girl is a bunch. A lot of times, if you watched my recent vlog where I went to the Bang Dream Cafe, I said that Mocha was my favorite, but I feel like I have now found my true favorite, the one that I want to like dedicate a shrine to, and that is Shirokane Rinko. She is beautiful, she is talented, she is humble, she is, you know, she wants to be the best version of herself she can be. She is kind, she is sweet, she is everything I need and more. So, as you know, probably if you like Bang Dream, there is a Sega figure collection of Bang Dream that is super affordable. I only paid 18,001 for this figure. That's around $15 US, and I bought this from a Korean website. I will show you the seal and everything before y'all go crazy on me in the comments. I will show you the authenticity seal, and yeah, it's a really nice figure for someone who can't afford the more expensive figures, and I'm pretty sure every girl in Bang Dream has a figure in this collection. But without any further ado, I wanted to show you the figure, see how it looks, and just let you see it in real life. So let's go. Okay everyone, here is the figure. As you can see, we have the box. The box is really nice. It has the Roselia colors. I think the other girls in like this style of figure have different colors on the box, but let me show you. Oh, and by the way, this series of figures I don't think is new. I think it's, it was probably released earlier this year. I don't think it's 2018 quite yet, but it's definitely released earlier this year. So it's not a new figure, but I'm pretty sure they still sell them pretty much everywhere. So here is the front of the box. And then we have the side, the back. Here is the Bushimo seal. We have the other side, which is a picture of Rinko. The front again, and here is the bottom. It says Roselia, and here is the top. I got this figure in a Korean online store called Figure Farm. They are really, really good if you are in Korea and looking to find figures. The packaging was beautiful, it was really fast, the quality was great, the figure came really well wrapped so it doesn't get damaged if you care about that stuff, so I highly recommend them. As you can see, this is a Crane Game prize, and as always, figures by Sega are pretty cheap. This cost me 18,001. I think that's around $15 US. That's what they pretty much cost here in Korea. I'm sure if you buy them from abroad, they are a little bit more expensive, but overall this figure shouldn't be too expensive no matter where you live. So let's open it. So, like the Kimetsu no Yaiba figures I showed, the boxes usually come like this. So it's a huge box and then a tiny container inside. So let's pull Rinko out. Unlike the Kimetsu no Yaiba figures that I showed before, this comes whole with a stand so you don't have to assemble her. But let me get her out of the plastic and show you how she looks. Here is the stand. It's really nice. As you can see, it has musical notes, and then it says school days. I really like this stand. It's very cute, and I think it's gonna make a great display for the beautiful Rinko. And here is Rinko herself. She looks really nice. I really like the weight of the clothing. Her hair looks great. Let's see a close up. Here is her face. I think the details are quite good. Nothing incredibly complicated, but it's still really well made. The paint job is satisfactory. Here, as you can see, I don't know if you can tell in the camera, but the paint isn't super precise. It's a little splotchy, I would say. We also have some, I don't know if this is dirt or what it is, here on the sleeve. There we go. But everything looks good. The ribbon looks good. These cheaper figures, as I explained in the Kimetsu no Yaiba video, usually have imperfections. We have more imperfections here on the sleeve. But overall, the figure looks really, really beautiful. And I think Rinko looks gorgeous. Let's put her on the stand. So, this is how you put her on the stand. It's a little bit flimsy, I am not going to lie. I'm finding it a little bit hard for her to stay. I think she's a little bit heavy. So, ooh. Yeah, so you can see I'm putting her in, and then it's easy for her to fall. So just be careful with that. Like that, yeah. So just make sure you kind of just put it on like the ground right after you put her on. And there we have her. Oh, she looks so great. And I also have my ruler here, so I just wanted to show you how tall it is with the stand. Obviously, I don't think too many people would be using it without the stand. But with the stand, she is about 22.5 centimeters. So a fairly large figure for such a cheap price. So yeah, I really like the height. I kind of feel like the size of the figure is really, really good. Makes it feel really substantial. I sinned. I got a Rinko's acrylic stand in Animate. It was pretty expensive, but worth it. 18,000 won. The same as the figure, actually. So, yeah. But no regrets, straight up. Alright guys, that is everything for today. I hope you liked the figure. Let me know if you like Bang Dream. Who is your favorite girl? Which other Bang Dream figure should I get? I pretty much only want to dedicate my money to getting Rinko stuff, but I'm open to getting an Arisa figure as well. But I don't know. If you like the figure, let me know. If you like me to make more figure unboxings, let me know. I'll definitely keep doing it when I get figures. I don't want to make it a habit to get them too often, but I just can't help it because like all the Crane, Sega, and like Van Presto figures are so cheap. It's so tempting, but I shouldn't get that many more. So I really hope you enjoyed this short video, and until next time, goodbye!